Hello, everyone. This is Danielle Ciari, aka the Inno Nurse, and I'm going to be talking today about WHINN. This is my proposal, and this is WHINN. It is the Week of Health and Innovation. It's going to be held in October 9th through the 11th, and I would like you very much to welcome you to the show. So, I'm going to be talking about my proposal today. I'm going to be talking about what it means to be a social media ambassador. This is for the WHINN team. I'll be presenting it for them, and then maybe we can maybe share this out a little bit later. So, just want to talk about my ideas about doing basically a clinical informatics workshop on thought leadership and what I like to present, I like to create for social media for WHINN. So my thoughts and ideas for the proposal would be to do a thought leadership workshop talking about curation, the how to, the why for using social media platforms as a clinician. Uh, what does it mean to really network on and offline? Why is it important as a clinician to understand branding? Whether you're a legacy staff or if you're a new nurse or a new clinician coming out into the field, marketing, how to market yourself and why that's important. These things, these elements are being brought into clinical practice. They are being taught now at various universities throughout the world. And this is a way to just kind of give a nice overview of kind of what's happening globally. Certifications, what certifications are relevant for your practice. Also, well as people are always interested and ask me questions about what are the tools that I use to do my vlogs or to do live stream video, what are the platforms that I use. What does it mean to be a social media ambassador, and why is it important to participate, and how does this come about? How do you apply, and uh, what are the relevant tools, backgrounds that are necessary to do it? Streaming live video, how to create live video, what are the different platforms, how do you set everything up from your tripod to a gimbal, are you using a camera versus maybe say using like an iPhone or Samsung Android. It doesn't matter so much the tools that you're using, but also how you use them. And a lot of people ask me a lot about podcasts. There's a lot of people doing podcasts around the world as clinicians, and then pushing out to different platforms. So I find that really interesting right now. Say, for example, there's a platform called Anchor will push out your podcast out to Spotify. So just having those conversations, how to use these tools, the why it's important. And then as for the social media side, I really like to use a vast variety of different tools. So a new one just came out is IGTV. I've been exploring. It's part of Instagram. How do I do my Twitter imagery when I push out and promotion? Going to possibly do some LinkedIn videos with, say, like a WHINN brand, just like, say, this overlay that I created would be a very good example. Another example, Periscope. This video that I'm shooting now, I could, push it out to Periscope Live as it's recording at the same time using a particular platform. And right now, like I'm creating this video and I'm going to place it on my YouTube. And so it's going to be, officially, WHINN, as you can see here, branded video. So these are some of my thoughts I'm putting together for the proposal that I want to share with the team, possibly in the near future. So these are my ideas, what I've come up with, and I thought it'd be interesting to do a video presentation as long with a written proposal document. So just some of my thoughts and ideas of things that um, taught myself, I've learned from other people about presenting, about sharing these tools, about social media, and kind of how I package everything together. So I thought it might be interesting to start the conversation, present a proposal, and see where things go. Thanks for watching, everybody. I very much appreciate it. So this is for WHINN. That's going to be happening in Odense, Denmark. And I appreciate you watching and listening.